Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at division of fraction. Let's look at some examples. We have 2 over 9 divided by 1 over 3. So we have 2 over 9, change it to 3 over 1. So 3 cancel itself, 1, 3 to 9 is 3. So we have 2 over 3 times 1 over 1. 2 over 3, so we have 2 over 3. 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 4. So it's equals to 2 over 3 times, for you to change it, turn it upside down. So you have 1 over 4 over 1. It's equals to 2 times 4 is 8 over 2 times 3 is 3. So is equals to 8 divided by 3 is 2 whole number, 2 over 3. 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 4 is equals to 1 over 2 times 4 over 1. 1 times 4 is 4 over 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 2 over 4. 4 over 2 is 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, which is 2. 5 over 1 divided by 2 over 3 is equals to 5 over 1 times 3 over 2. 5 times 3 is 15 over 1 times 2 is 2. 15 over 2 is equals to 7 whole number 1 over 2. 4 over 11 divided by 5 over 9 is equals to 4 over 11 multiplied by 9 over 5. So we have equals to 4 times 9 is 36 over 11 times 5 is 55. 2 over 5 divided by 3 over 4 is equals to 2 over 5 times 4 over 3. 2 times 4 is 8 over 5 times 3 is 15. 1 over 6 divided by 8 over 11 is equals to 1 over 6 multiplied by 11 over 8. So 1 times 11 is 11 over 6 times 8 is 48. Thank you for watching.